What is going on, party people? Here we are back in the garage yet again. Another little update on everything. I'll be quick, sweet, and to the point on this one. I basically got the engine wired up. So right now I did go through all of this ignition, all of it. Currently it is also 11:30 at night, so I'm not going to go ahead and fire this up. I will put a little clip in there tomorrow of me actually firing it up. Does turn with the ignition switch, which is amazing. So now the starter starts every single time, which is great. Super stoked about that. Working back on this today, we're going to be taking the brakes off, getting those calipers off there, probably going through some of the linkages in the back as well. As you can see, got myself a bike. What's up? Y'all should be jealous. Wait till you see me with my helmet on, goofy as ever. But anyways, I'm doing a lot of other stuff today, so let's just get right into it and we'll go from there. Well, good thing that's on video. Oh, it's funny. Is it funny? I don't know. It's kind of funny. Got it all on camera, so I'll figure out where those go. Living and learning, baby. I gotta take this off there. Yeah, that'll work. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. There she is. There she is. Here we are. Going to disassemble the caliper. Take this guy apart, get these brake pads, see if we need to replace anything else. Hopefully it's just the brake pads we can get rid of and get some new ones on there and kind of go from there. So, there we go. Whoa. I don't think those grooves are supposed to be there. Could be wrong, but it does appear that there's a bearing of some sort in here. And again, it looks like it's the same on this side too. Yeah, I do not think that's how it's supposed to look. Put those together. Now, I believe this guy is holding our brake pads in place. So we're just gonna slide that guy out. As you can tell, I did already lubricate everything. That's why it makes it so nice. Ooh, this has gotta be some of my favorite stuff around, to be honest with you. Good penetrating oil. This stuff is the bee's knees. Not paid, by the way. Not paid sponsorship. I just love them and have used them forever, basically. Jeez Louise. Anyways, okay. some brake pads. You can see there kind of how much was there and how much is there. Not enough. Time for some new brake pads. As I showed you before, this guy, I don't believe they're supposed to have those grooves in there. So the more and more I was looking at it, I was hoping I could just replace, you know, this bushing. And I don't really know what to call that. I don't know what to call this. So, I mean, I would imagine it's some kind of a bushing, you know, because it's got the soft rubber in between there, plus the rubber's all cracked up, so that probably definitely needs to be replaced. But again, I don't know what this is called. So what I did was I found the part number here, and I don't know if you can see that or not. There's my part number, just so I can see what that part number is. I'm going to make a note of that and then try and look that up on the old Goog and see what she brings back to me. Now also, there is a part number stamped here, so I'm gonna Google this as well. And potentially it all comes as one assembly. I don't know, I'd prefer, I mean, I should probably just replace the whole damn caliper if I'm honest with you, but you know, if you're working on a budget, let's just replace the parts that we need, which I believe are those. So I'm gonna look this up. And again, I don't know exactly which one is the part number. So 7557391. This is 7557392 M4, and CHG-0. That's a G, yeah, CHG-0. So we'll have to look these up again. Hopefully I can find them. I think that's going to do it for this week's episode. As you can see, I did get the brakes off of this. The calipers are off. I could not find those calipers online anywhere for the life of me, no matter what I did. Part numbers I searched. I literally looked up everything that I could possibly look for, and I just could not find it. I spent probably 4 to 5 hours looking for these damn calipers. If any of you know what they are, feel free to drop a comment below or even email me. My email is yofatheads@gmail.com. I'll put a link down in the description for the email. So send me an email. Let me know if you know what these are called, or if you even seen them before. Any help would be amazing. Didn't get as much done as I would have liked to have gotten done this week, but again, you know, family comes first, so we take care of the family first. And with 6 of us in here, it is like the Brady Bunch around here sometimes, but it's always fun. So slowly and surely, we're gonna get this thing rolling. I'm just super excited to get this thing out on the road, one step at a time, taking it day by day and kind of just piecing away at it. And we're gonna get this thing going eventually. And I hope you guys stick around. Hope you enjoyed this one. I know that it was kind of short and sweet, but again, I told you that at the beginning. It was going to be a short and sweet video, and here we are. Next week, hopefully, we'll have a bigger update for you, and we'll go from there. So stick around. We'll see you on the next one.